Please don't make me say it. Please don't make me say it.
So what are you taking there?
Cough medicine. Prescribed by the doctor. Nothing illegal. Just cough medicine. But it is downright nasty. Please don't laugh at me at home. Oh, this really sucks. I can't even stand the fucking smell. Fuck, no more. I'm fucking doing it. That sucks.
I'll drink water. It'll make it feel better. Or taste better. Ugh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Connor, what'd you hit me for?
I didn't hit you, what?
Yeah, I need something to eat.
What are you gonna get to eat?
Man, that shit gives me the chill. What's up, Tom? Hey, Tom.
What are you eating? What is that?
What does it look like?
Oh no, say it.
Cookie. Ciao for now.